Welcome to Owen Allen Media. Breaking news in the world of dancehall, right? Guess what? It seems the world boss himself, Vybz Kartel, the king of dancehall, has been granted a US visa. This news started circulating after a fan spotted Vybz Kartel at the US Embassy in Kingston, adding fuel to the excitement. But Kartel recently posted a video on his Instagram where he was just beaming with happiness and declaring God is the greatest, and Kartel could not stop smiling and giving praises to God, and I feel like this is the reason why.
People, me I telling you something. Say God is the greatest, yeah. And you see faith move mountains. And you see teamwork, not the dream work. But never forget, all things you have to put God and do good. Believe me, I say. But this under my nose.
Now, the fan who first broke the news described Kartel as a happy person, and honestly, who wouldn't be, right? This development is a big one, not just for Kartel but for the entire dancehall community. It's been years since Vybz Kartel has been able to travel internationally, and now that he's free, all the possibilities and the doors are opening for his career and everything is limitless. Right now, with this US visa, Kartel really is going to connect with the fans internationally, all his international fans in the diaspora, the same fans who fly down from the UK and Canada and America, all over the world, to come and see him at Freedom Street. And this also means we might just see Vybz Kartel at this year's Grammy, right? Remember, Vybz Kartel said he put in his papers for his US visa because he wants to attend the Grammy, and him being there, Shensia being there, you know what I mean, the dancehall artists representing at the reggae Grammy is a good look for dancehall and reggae music. Now imagine the energy and the excitement in the room if Kartel ever make an appearance on the Grammy stage. That will just be a great and a significant moment, may I tell you that. Now, and even more so if Kartel win the Grammy, right? And we are talking about Kartel winning the Grammy, and that's not far-fetched to say either, because I mean it's the Grammy Awards, and Kartel take this Grammy home because it's a good look for dancehall, and you know what I mean. And may I tell you, as a long-time fan of Vybz Kartel, I'm happy and truly, really and truly, genuinely happy for Kartel right now. And it just reminds me of me getting my own visa on the day when I received my own visa. You know what I mean? As I said, all the doors are being opening for the world boss right now. Him come out, him turn him life around, and it's a good look and a good thing to see. You know what I mean? So for all the dancehall fans, the real Gaza Nation fans, Kartel right now got travel overseas, and it's a game-changing moment, right? Because we already know the influence that Kartel have and how Kartel shape the sound of dancehall and the culture globally. And everyone on the international scene respect Vybz Kartel to the fullest, down to Drake, Nicki Minaj, Cardi B, you know what I mean, Busta Rhymes and all these other people. And now Kartel can take it even further by being in person with these people and collaborating with them, dropping music videos, live performances, you know what I mean, and just turning things up around the world, in America, in Canada, in the UK. You see me? So this is a big win for Vybz Kartel, but also a big win for the music industry, which is dancehall. You know what I mean? A lot of people who look up to Kartel can now see Kartel on a bigger stage, you know what I mean, doing it on a more global stage globally. So as for now, Vybz Kartel hasn't officially posted about the visa news as yet, but we are keeping tabs on Kartel right now because, you know what I mean, I feel like this is really happening. So when Kartel posts about it, then we will come. When him finally breaks silence, we will come and let you know what is going on and give you the updates. So for now, you know what I mean, we just have to celebrate right now and just hope, say, yo, this is the real deal. You know what I mean? So all Gaza Nation fans, drop some comment, drop some fire emoji, some goat emoji. Let me know what you think about this news. You know what I mean? Because Vybz Kartel is back in full force, and we can't wait to see what the artist is going to accomplish next, whether it's the Grammy or groundbreaking achievements in dancehall where album is concerned. Kartel is gearing up to drop his Viking album, which is the 10-year anniversary deluxe edition of that album. Plus, he's also gearing up to drop another album this year, the real and truly album, probably Exile Fear, I'm going to name it, or probably 238. You know what I mean? Because remember, Isaac Buchanan told Vybz Kartel that 238 paper is what will free you, and that is what actually free Vybz Kartel, and he's out right now and doing great things, you know what I mean, and continue to push goodness into the world, you know what I mean, because Vybz Kartel just by Mooney a Benz, Vybz Kartel by Sean Starmer a BMW, Vybz Kartel by Mad Sus a car, so by Vybz Kartel by him daughter a car, Vybz Kartel by him son them a car, Vybz Kartel by a new house, Vybz Kartel, you know what I mean, just donate to Waterford Primary, and all these things the artist been doing ever since the artist forward out, you know what I mean, and we love to see it. So let me hear your thoughts. I know your thoughts. How excited are you about this news? Drop a comment and let's celebrate the return of the king on the global international stage. You see me? So stay tuned for more updates. As I said, whenever Kartel posts about it, we're going to come and update you again. You see me? So big up Kartel, world boss. Queen of Dancehall Spice is on tour in Jamaica, and she's touring a couple schools in Jamaica right now where she is spreading positivity and letting the kids know that this song that she just dropped is a song that they should be listening to, because it is a song that is telling you to have high standards and tell people no, tell the boy them no, tell the girl them no, you know what I mean? If they want to do certain things, tell them no, that's not you, that is beneath you. You see me? So check out Spice right now.
This initiative is super important. I want you to remember that momentary pleasure can cause you a lifetime of disaster. Can you repeat that? Momentary pleasure can cause you a lifetime of disaster. So it's okay to not.
Honestly, I must give it up to Spice, because I think she's the first dancehall artist I'm seeing releasing a song and then doing a school tour to tell the youths, hey, listen, anything that you see them saying or see them singing about, they're not actually doing that at home. So guess what? Don't be fooled, right? And I'm talking about a situation where Shensia did come out and say, oh, she never had a so and so and so, but at the same time she's singing about so and so and so. So while she's having a good cutesy life, then everybody else is, you know, is doing what she's singing about and being influenced by that. But Spice is saying, no, all those things that you're singing about and talking about, guess what? I'm going to come and debunk, and I'm going to come and tell the youths them, no, do not do those things. You see me? So big up Spice, the queen of dancehall, undisputed queen of dancehall. You see me? Big up Spice. So the fullness and a good message from Spice.